Hello, my name is Sven Herzig and I'm a campus trainer at Cable. I would like to show you how to easily replace the O-rings on your MF syringe yourself. Prepare a pair of tweezers, the service set with the O-rings and the tube of silicone grease. Remove the cannula from the syringe. Use the tweezers to remove the O-rings from the coupler base. Pull the valve body out of the housing from the back. Use the tweezers to remove the O-rings from the valve body. Take the new O-rings out of the packaging and place them into the grooves of the valve body by hand or using the tweezers. Apply a small amount of silicone grease to the O-rings. Now slide the valve body back into the housing. Insert the O-rings into the grooves of the coupler base . Apply a bit of silicone grease to the O-rings as well. Finally, slide the cannula back onto the syringe.